It's a 2013 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, AC power outlet, voice activated climate controls, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver points out the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.